Hi, my name's Sharon Howat and I'm super excited to be sharing this party with you today. I'm from Carlisle in the UK. This is my bedroom and I'm in my slippers, so where are you from? Drop it in the comments below and let's see how far we can get this party to travel. So this event is only going to be about 15 minutes maximum, and by the end you're going to be able to enter a raffle and potentially win some free products, so hang around. Now, thank you for coming. But I want to know one more thing. How do you know the host? Share below. Did you guys meet at work, on the school run? Are you neighbours? Or did you go to school together? Or maybe like a lot of us, you've met on social media. Drop that in the comments below and let's see how you met. Now, let me start by sharing a little bit more about myself, the company, the products, and then we'll talk about the raffle. So, I first joined the company 9 years ago because I needed to earn some extra money to help pay for our wedding in Mexico. I wanted the extras as like a lot of women do, but we didn't have that much money to do that. So, hence I was selling fragrances to the women at work because I knew that they would love the money that they would save. Now, fast forward a few months, the wedding was over, found myself with no job, and then I needed to make some more money for Christmas. So what did I do? I started selling big. I done parties, and then I started to show others how to do the same. And after about 12 months of doing this, I was able to quit then I did find another job and decided to help others full-time on how to do business at home. And that's what I do. I coach people how to make money at home, in the spare time, using Wi-Fi, in the slippers, and that's why I'm excited to be sharing this event with you. Another reason I fell in love with the company and the products, it wasn't only because of them being super affordable to customers, but because they are animal friendly, pH balanced, and we've got products that are vegan too. So that means that we can provide products to a huge range of people. Now, if you're just jumping on, stick around because we've got a fantastic giveaway at the end for you. Now, the company is FM World and it was started back in 2004 in Poland, in Wrocław, by Arthur Travinsky, who quickly brought it to the global market. It came to the UK in 2006 and it's been growing at a phenomenal rate ever since. And I'm super proud to say that I was there from the early days and I've watched it grow in products and in members year on year. We've now got over 1,200 products in our collection. So let me quickly share with you some information on some of our favourite products from each of the collections, starting with our core product range, which is fragrances. FM World fragrances contain parfum, not the high street EDT, but parfum, which has got 20% oil concentration in. We've even got some intense range, which is 30% concentration, both in his and hers. Our main products are all 20%. The labels are white for women, black for men. Our pure collection and the pure royals are all 50ml, and some are even unisex. So our fragrance oils are purchased from Drom in Munich, who also supply leading designer brands with their oils too, since 1911. We then take them to our fragrance factory owned by Arthur's father, and then we make perfume, and then it's shipped all over the world. All the little sample bottles actually labelled by hand. It's incredible, and if you ever get the chance to go to Wrocław, you've got to go and see our perfume factory. Also coming under the fragrance umbrella is the ability to layer your products with your favourite smells, meaning that you can also use your shower gels, your body lotions, deodorants, even fragrance sticks, ironing liquid that all match your favourite fragrance. All the packaging is recycled, which is another fantastic plus to our company. Now, not only do we have fragrances, but our next top selling range is makeup. So we've got everything that you could possibly need, from HD mascaras, highlighters, nail varnish, cuticle creams, mix and match palettes, foundations. If you like Estee Lauder's Double Wear, you will love our Ideal cover. It is amazing. So if you want to try a sample, drop the host a message and I'm sure that they'll be able to get you a sample made up and in the post. Now, let's move on to the home care range. I just love our Smart and Clean collection because not only is it super sized, but it's concentrated, meaning it lasts longer. So you get even more value than standard supermarket products. These will outlast them every single time. And the drain cleaner and multi-surface cleaner, they are definitely my top ones. And can you believe we also have tea and coffee and chocolate? So it can help keep those hunger pangs at bay, which complements, whether it will, our NutriCode range, which is for men and women and kids gummies and vitamins too. My own personal favourites are the amazing hair, skin and nails, which has helped my skin get clearer and my nails get stronger, and my hairdresser always comments when I go and get it cut how quick my hair grows. And also we have the Q10 collagen, which helps plump your skin because it's liquid collagen and it helps keep you from going under that knife a little bit longer. And it can even make you sleep better, and who doesn't want a good night's sleep? So if you want to know more about the products, including our paraben-free Hair Lab range or the aloe vera range, then have a look at our brochure that will be dropping into the event as well. There's also going to be some shopping specials for you as a thank you for joining the event today. So make sure to have a look out for them. Your host has really done a fantastic job at creating some great deals for you. And that's it. So let's wrap up the amazing event and talk about the raffle. For your chance to win a free 50ml fragrance or a money off voucher, simply comment below, I'm in. That's it. That's all you need to do to enter, I'm in. And then you can have the chance to win a voucher or a fragrance. The raffle will remain open for 48 hours, so you can come back, and if you're watching on the replay, make sure to comment, I'm in. The winner will be announced at the close of the event. Now, if you want more products and think, I can do what she's doing in her slippers in my spare time, even in my PJs, and I could social sell and recommend products to my friends, or even just order for your own discount, then drop in the comments below a pound symbol. For all the details you can grab on getting 25 to 33% discount off the brochure prices, and it's free to get started. You might even get some samples in the post too. If really is that simple, it's free, you get amazing training too, and I'm not just saying that. And if you'd like to earn even more free products and get some discount on your own order, why not have your own online party? Just drop in the comments below party and the host will get the details to you, and you can get up to 20% discount on your own order just from being a host and having an online party like this. That's it. So that's it, folks. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the host, and remember, you've got 48 hours to place an order and enter the raffle. Just pop back into the event and check out the brochure, the shopping specials and the guides to help you find your perfect fragrance. And if you do have any questions, again, drop that in the event and we'll get right back to you and help you with any recommendations should you need them. So good luck everyone, and I'll see you again soon.